Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid Limited in Lagoon Blue. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, plug-in hybrid 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 90147A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.